Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Chip here in the great state of Kentucky on this Galaxy Dx2547. Chip, you asked me to go all out on this one, and that which we did. We got the digital turbo echo board installed right here on the adjustment. Has a clarifier modification for sideband. Been truckerized with my peak and tune. Has the shoddy diodes in the receive section for good filtering on the receive, and then a high gain transistor. Got your channels back there as you requested, your expansion channels. She's ready to go. Let's check it out. Carry her all the way down. 5-watt slug. Just a hair over half a watt. 4.5 watts. 100-watt slug going forward. Hello audio. Hello audio. 30 watts on the bird peak reading. There you are, my friend. Oh, one more thing. Got your ultra bright wide angle LED in here, replacing the wheat lamp. Alrighty, my friend, it's coming your way tomorrow. I thank you very much, Chip, from truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump.